first, so if can first.
Since morning when me and you there here, we never see any job too. Even one single job, we never see.
Work will come.
I know, I don't tire for this messing work. See, no opportunity I dey find, just small opportunity. Let person show me way. Let them show me way.
Come now, you go fuck up.
Where these people they make this money? I want make that money. I get mine past them. Just
if you spirit, you want job shit.
Shit. See what they talk. I they do with me. Not be shit. I don't they chop since. Everybody they chop shit.
Raw shit though.
All these flies where they enter your food. You know where the fly go? Come enter your
shit
food.
And bread. Now you go chop.
Now better food now. Same shit and bread. Where you? Oga, we don't available. Wait. No, know whether we go see work.
Walk.
Oga, you need work. We don't available. We need work.
You need work.
Oga, what do you want me to do for you? What do you do? Prince! Hey! Prince!
Is it Prince I'm seeing?
Prince!
Is it Prince?
Hey! Prince!
Prince! That Prince!
Prince!
Hey! That Prince! Hey!
Prince!
Hey!
Say Prince!
Prince!
Hey! Hey!
You're back in this village! Hey! I will not know!
Hey!
Hey!
Prince!
Where did you come from?
You sure say that you? Hey! Prince! Prince! Hey! Say Prince!
Hey!
When you come back?
You know, when you went down, if I go you go down. MS
See the way Prince is talking. Hey, Prince, I see why you leave your guys now. Why you can't leave us today for this village? They suffer.
That's him here. You carry that type of. That's what you're saying. You don't know.
Now it's no time for complaint, right?
Hey.
I'm back. That's the good thing.
Yes.
Now where come
Problems are over.
What did you say?
Prince, you mean I'm?
What did you say?
Hey!
I
talk am.
didn't hear what he said.
I thought I say I go make this money. You don't see am.
Are you sure it's one of us?
You said, Prince, I know they hear Prince again. No, Prince, they speak for them.
I will change your life.
You will change my life. Hey! You say you change my life, not our life, my life.
Hold on, let me. I'm going to film.
Is it with Pami? Are you sure he's not with Pami?
He said my life. You changed my life, not our life.
Okay, go.
Hey, Prince. Prince, you try to go see. Then I chose you a boy. Hey, Prince. Hey, I thought I said, bro. You see, to the make confession, God don't bless you. See, dollar. Hey, Prince. Please. Hey, please. Hey.
Enjoy yourself.
Hey, please. Hey. Please. Hey. Please. Be a boss who are now. Hey. Please. Hey. Please. I don't become a guy. Oh yeah, see money. I told you. Hey. 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 Oh. Hey, I thought that. Hey. I thought that. All my enemies in store. All my enemies in store. All my enemies in store. Don't give me money. I am not Obaino. Obaino too much money. Hey.
What goes around, babe? What goes around, it must come around. It must come around. What goes around, it must come around. What goes around must come around. What goes around must come around. Must come around. It must come around. What goes around, yeah. It must come around. It must come around. What There's a payday for everyone. You know, come on, don't respect anyone. Everybody go pay, whether not good or bad, though. What goes around, what goes around, it must come around. It must come around. What goes around, it must come around. What goes around must come around. What goes around must come around. Must come around. It must come around. What goes around, yeah, it must come around. What goes around, what goes around, yeah, it must come around. What goes around, must come around, yeah. No matter what you do, there's a payday for everyone. You know, come on, don't respect anyone. Everybody go pay, whether not good or bad, though. What goes around, what goes around, it must come around. It must come around. What goes around, it must come around. What goes around must come around. What goes around must come around. Must come around. It must come around. What goes around, yeah, it must come around. What goes around, what goes around, yeah, it must come around. What goes around, must come around.
I can see that you've been drinking. You have drunk yourself to stupor.
No, Father, I had just a few glasses of champagne. I went out with friends. We had fun. We had so much time out. These are friends that I left over here before I went to the States, you know. Okay.
Then, what is it that I'm hearing? That you are throwing money around the streets of this kingdom?
Father, I wasn't throwing money. I only did give away to a few of my friends and some villagers. Just give away, nothing more.
And you think that is the best way of doing giveaway? Throwing money all over the place?
Is there anything bad with giveaway? I just did giveaway. You know, I cannot go to their houses because you are the king, you know your people. I wouldn't want them to poison me for extending my hand of benevolence to them.
You are now the carrier of the spirit of benevolence, right? Then you traveled to the United States of America with your sister and the husband. You spent barely 1 year over there. Now, what am I saying? You've made so much money. You are throwing money around. You've acquired so many houses, fleet of cars. And I hear that you have so many shares in several companies. So tell me, what businesses did you
do over there that made you acquire so much money to throw around as a benevolent spirit man?
Father, I do buying and selling.
Buying and selling. If I may ask, what exactly do you buy and sell, or did you buy and sell?
Father, I buy and sell human parts.
Excuse me?
I was joking. Eh? I buy and sell cars, old man. What do you want to hear?
Yeah, but I don't believe you. I mean, how can you acquire so much money buying and selling cars?
Father, I have other businesses that I run and I add to it. Huh?
Good. That's what I want to hear. So now, can you name the businesses one by one?
Father, I don't get you. Huh? What is all this now? What is all this? I know you as the king, yes. But I didn't know that you have turned to an interrogative agent.
My honorable prince, Vela. Stop rigmaroling. Stop rigmaroling. I mean, you are just beating around the bush. Just name the businesses for me. That is just all I ask. Okay? Hit the nail on the head.
Hey, Father, you're bugging me, eh? If you don't mind, I have other things I'm doing.
Will you keep quiet? I'm bugging you?
Yes.
Your father is bugging you?
Yes.
Anyway. Vena. I hope it is not what I'm thinking.
Well, whatever thing you want to think. I don't care. Huh? Why do you want to know everything about me? You want to know how I made money? How I don't get it. Don't you like money? Huh? Let me tell you something, Father. A shower no be work. No means say they no go they do You go they manage when hunger no finish you. Huh? Makosa.
Alcohol that you consumed is oozing all over the place. You are under an influence of a spirit that I cannot just comprehend.
But I have money. I do anyhow. How I want, I do. I have money. You want to fight me? I'm ready to fight you back. I have money now. I want us to go to the headquarters. Anywhere you want us to go to, I will go with you. I have money, please allow. Stop stressing me. Huh? Stop stressing me. Want to know when to do this. Want to whatever thing I like, let me do. I don't want to. Like I told you, I shall not be work. But the manager, like I also. King, allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Want to know everything. Want to know what do you do for a living? How do you make money out of it? I have money. Enjoy the money. Stop asking me about the money. Alright, brother. How are you? Send for me? You good? How are you?
It took you what seems like eternity to come answer my call.
Oh.
What were you doing in your room that you kept me waiting endlessly?
Well, mother, I'm here now. So tell me what you want us to discuss.
Well, I am worried the way you spend the money upon your return. It gives me cause to worry. As if you're Dangote.
Mother, your son, Aluciana Fuaya, is richer than Dangote in cash. I mean, in cash. Enwere m nnukwu nri. That's the reality. Eh? So you have to adapt to the reality.
Barely a year plus. Just a year plus you went to the United States of America and returned. Now you're claiming to be richer than the richest man in the country ever heard.
Mother, isn't that what you've wanted? Eh? You wanted someone that is rich. More reason you destroyed your daughter's marriage to that poor classroom teacher because he is poor. So you wanted someone richer. Now your son is rich and you're still complaining. Why are you complaining, mother?
Well, since you claim to be richer than the richest person ever, I want you to get married. Start your own family. Build your own home. Why?
No.
Or Guinea men or Mamba.
I
Why?
don't want to get married yet, okay? I still want to enjoy my youthful age. Mother, I have money. Hapunum. I just made money. Come on. You know, marriage is filled with all these issues, blah, 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 blah. Be fighting with one's daughter. Your son does not have strength for all that. I don't want to have issues with someone's daughter. Allow me to enjoy myself. I'll marry later, right?
Do you know you're already 28, going to 29 years? Your mates are all married. With children.
I know. But need I remind you that some of my mates are late as we speak. Do you consider that too?
But you're still breathing.
Yes.
I want to carry my grandchildren.
Okay. You will. You will. You have a daughter, right? Your daughter, Princess Candy, and her husband will give you a beautiful or handsome grandson or granddaughter. You know this time. But for me, come to me out, and will me you make money and chop money before we carry somebody's daughter. Oh yes. For me, I want to tell you something. Stop comparing me with my mates. As I speak, your son is worth $500 million. None of my mates, none of them even have 300 million in their account. No more. I will see an Afuaya. Okay, moon, joker. I want $500 million, over $500 million. 600 million. So,
why don't you get married and feed your children with that money? Give them better life.
I will get married. I will get married when I get to my early 30s, okay? Don't worry yourself. Huh? Excuse me. Huh? Don't worry yourself. Anyone you want to discuss? Mother? You still want to go? Okay. The absence of more discussion. Someone wants to go have some drinks. Let me go and have some drinks and smoke. Can calm my nerves. Let me smoke and calm my nerves. Enjoy myself. You still have time. Hi. Enjoy myself. I hope over 600 I'm upstairs.
He needs to marry to continue this family's lineage. His behaving word. I need to carry my grandchildren from him. Yes. Hey. Yes, my princess. I can hear you. Is it that you are yet to conceive? Or that you and your husband are not doing it the way you're supposed to do it? Huh? I need grandchildren. I need grandchildren, please. I'm begging you. Huh? Is this constant cough? I don't know where it's coming from. Anytime I cough and spit out saliva, it comes out with blood clots. Yes. I was thinking it's an ordinary cough. Now it has escalated to something else. We've gone to several hospitals and we have run several tests. I mean, tests upon tests, but nothing came out. Yes, I have tried herbal medicine, which you know will brought, but instead of subsiding it, it aggravated it more. I don't. My princess, please. I have to go now, eh? I will call you later. Okay. Cheers. All right.
Why are you holding my son?
Igwe, your son is a cocaine trafficker who deals on cocaine business. Igwe, we arrested your son at the airport while he's trying to traffic hard drug from Nigeria, then to Brazil.
Did you say you arrested my son at the airport?
Yes, Igwe. We saw 10 kg of hard drug in your son's luggage.
Vena, you are supposed to be in the United States of America. What are you doing in Nigeria? So, you do drugs. I asked you the other time how you made your money. You told me you were buying and selling cars. So you are a drug pusher. Officer, this man is not my son. My son cannot be a drug pusher. Take him away.
What goes around, it must come around. It must come around. What goes around, it must come around. What goes around must come around. What goes around must come around.
It all happened before our very eyes. They're just paying for their sins. Nobody knows if they're going to come out and be fine.
As for me, it is none of my business whether they come out of it or not. Trouble was just on its own, sleeping. They just went and woke it up. Hey.
Everything the prince acquired with his illegal money was even sold before he could regain freedom. Because of him, Baba decided to stay back in Lagos.
I only feel sorry for the king, not that arrogant prince. You see, a man who hates trouble, and you can never see him meddling into one.
Our people say, Onye kotero, obode emegin ukoteria. But please, me, I'm not in for all this. I want to just go and rest my bones. Before you know it now, the queen will require assistance from any of us, and I'm very, very tired. Please.
Honestly speaking, I am tired of this job. I just want to leave this palace. If not for the salary they are paying me, I know myself. I would have been long gone. My sister, same here. I'm tired of working in this palace as a maid. I'm tired though.
As for me, if you leave, you will just go and start looking for work all over.
Yes.
In this palace, we die here.
If you want to quit, you quit. As for me, I'm going to rest. If you like, come with me.
Die here. I'm tired. I can't die about it.
And you want salary?
Are we not there yet?
My princess, be patient. Before you know it, we'll be there soon.
I don't know. We've been driving. This is beginning to look like a roller coaster. I think we should go back.
No. We have come afar to go back. The moment you understand that nothing good comes easy, the better.
But we've been driving for a long time. We've been driving for a long time. I'm beginning to be scared. I'm afraid.
My princess, don't worry. All we seek for is the solution to this catastrophe that has hit the royal family. We must get to the root. Don't worry, keep going. We'll be there soon.
No, what is going on? We've been driving for hours. Where is this place? Honestly, I'm tired.
My princess, calm down, don't worry. We are getting close.
This is what you've been telling me for hours. I'm not going anywhere again, please.
My princess, let us go. We are almost there.
No, this is what you've been saying. No, I am tired. I am tired.
You know the problem we are facing in the royal family. I am here to get to the root of everything. Just keep going. We will be there before you know it. Just be patient.
I've been driving for hours. I'm tired.
What goes around, it must come
keep Just turn.
I will turn again.
Yes.
No, I will turn again.
Yes.
I've been turning.
Just calm down. I know how you feel. Just calm down.
It must come around. What's around? Yeah, it must come around. What's What goes around, yeah. It must come around. What goes around, must come around. Yeah. No matter what you do, there's a payday for everyone. You know, come on, don't respect anyone.
Ah! Stop that, woman!
Where's this coming from?
Come. Stop that! You are ready. Welcome to right on.
Great Nkume. Strange being with 4 eyes and 4 ears. The cripple that run faster than the antelope. Hey! Odogu. The dry meat that fills the mouth. Seer of evil and good spirits. Teller of fortune and misfortune. Akayo. Temper justice with mercy. We beseech you. Igirigi ogu, anu gagankwe. Odogu agba ọsọ ọgụ.
She is called of the great beyond. Sin and God's man and spirit. Do the great time of good destiny.
Great Nkume, we are here to appease the gods of the innocent baby that was killed by she idiocy and also the gods of fertility.
Not every brother can be wasted anyhow. Our baby would have become the governor of the state. To be honest.
Thank you, Great Nkume. Great Nkume, we shall do as you have said.
She shall be here on the Kemaka Day to embark on her journey.
As you have instructed.
Repeat after me. The gods of Umuchi Kingdom.
The gods of Umuchi Kingdom.
I have come before you.
I have come before you
On this Eke Market Day.
on this Eke Market Day.
I have come for you to show me mercy and compassion
I have come for you to show me mercy and compassion
for the great evil I did against you.
for the great evil I did against you.
The gods of fertility and my unborn baby.
The gods of fertility and my unborn baby.
My unborn baby, I am deeply sorry for hurting you.
My unborn baby, I am deeply sorry for hurting you.
Forgive me, for I have sinned against you greatly.
Forgive me, for I have sinned against you greatly.
Take away the spell and curse from my life,
Take away the spell and curse from my life
and every other persons that partook on it.
and every other persons that partook on it.
Wave the egg over your head 4 times and say,
Eke, Nkwo, Orie, Afọ.
remove this spell and curse on our lives using me as a point of contact.
Remove this spell and curse on our lives using me as a point of contact.
Break the head before you.
princess is not back yet.
I'm short of words. What could be that thing that is delaying her?
My queen, you talk.
Yes. I am well again.
You are well.
Yes, my king.
My wife is well. The queen is well. Oh. We thank the gods. We thank the gods. Hey. Who could have... Open the gate. Open the gate.
I'm sorry for everything I made you go through. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I still love you. Please forgive me. I didn't know what I was doing. Please forgive me.
It's okay. Honey, please get up. I love you. You are the love of my life. Please, I've forgiven you.
You're forgiving me?
Yes. I love you.
I love you too. Thank you. Thank you.
What goes around, babe? What goes around, it must come around. It must come around. What goes around, it must come around. What goes around must come around. What goes around must come around. Must come around. It must come around. What goes around, yeah, it must come around. What goes around? What goes around, yeah. Must come around. What goes around? Whoa. Must come around. Yeah. No matter what you do, there's a payday for everyone. You know, come on, don't respect anyone. Everybody go pay, whether not good or bad, though. What goes around? What goes around? What goes around? It must come around. It must come around. Must come around. What goes around must come around. Must come around. It must come around. respect anyone. Everybody go pay whether not good or bad. What goes around, what goes around, it must come around. It must come around. What goes around, it must come around. What goes around must come around. What goes around must come around. Must come around. It must come around. What goes around, yeah. It must come around. What goes around, yeah.